More changes could be coming to the chaotic rollout of his tariff war. He is threatening a new 250% tariff on Canadian dairy and lumber products. Trump says that could happen as soon as today or early next week. ABC's Perry Russum is in Washington.
President Trump says his chaotic off-again, on-again trade war will continue to see what he calls changes and adjustments.
There'll always be some modifications. I mean, if you have a wall in front of you, sometimes you have to go around the wall instead of through it. But I think very little.
Trump now threatening a reciprocal 250% tariff on Canadian dairy and lumber items.
Canada has been ripping us off for years on tariffs for lumber and for dairy products.
It comes after Trump gave Canada and Mexico a short-term deal yesterday, avoiding the 25% tariff on goods until April 2nd. That's when his reciprocal tariffs kick in, meaning whatever tariffs are imposed on the U.S., tariffs of the same percentage will be imposed in return.
Our country, from an economic standpoint, and financial standpoint, and a trade standpoint, has been absolutely ripped off by almost every country in the world. Canada, Mexico, and then you just go right down the line.
Trump says he's imposing tariffs for multiple reasons, including as a way he believes will create manufacturing jobs in the U.S.
We're going to bring back our business into this country. We need it from a job standpoint.
The new jobs report today shows 151,000 new jobs were added to the workforce last month. That is slightly below economists' expectations.
The labor market is solid.
Fed Chair Jay Powell speaking today after the jobs report was released. Powell says the economy is in a good place, despite what he calls high levels of uncertainty from new policies, including tariffs.
The path to sustainably returning inflation to our target has been bumpy, and we expect that to continue.
Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.
President Trump dodged a question on how long things will cost more for American consumers as a result of those tariffs. He only said, quote, there will be some disturbances.